Well, my plan was to jump down there, but that's pretty high.
It's not that high. You're gonna roll your ankle. That thing's gonna go up your ass.
Can you close that shit? I feel like motherfucking Batman. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, I don't know why I did this.
Don't be a pussy.
Oh, something went up my butt.
Be a man.
This piece of metal. Anyways. Oh!
I didn't get that. You have to redo it. Did the shot go up to your balls?
Yeah. Anyways. Alright, back to the bimmer. Okay.
Can you tell me what you're feeling right now?
Not working. Alright. You guys can see, we got a shit ton of bumpers. So that's not an M3 Sport. I am not Rice. That is an M Sport. Then we got M Sport diffuser. Rear bumper. And alright, the side skirts are M3, but who gives a fuck? Anyways, this is literally all we're doing. We got fenders over here. Johnny's too lazy to open anyways, so we just got this right here. And yeah, just gonna go ahead and start fucking mounting all this shit up. So first things first, side skirts, because it's the easiest shit. So anyways, so you take this shit off.
I'm hungry.
Right? Shut the fuck up.
I'm hungry.
Shut the fuck up.
Look at my beamer.
You get food later. Sick. One done. Next, you just want to pop all these tabs up. And they all come out like that. Or you can get those later, I guess. But you gotta pop each single one, and then there's a torque, like a plastic bolt that you have to undo, and then you can just pull the side skirt off. And cut.
I'm hungry.
Ah!
It started to rain.
It's sprinkling.
It's very fucking humid because the sun's still out. Now it's hot. Very hot.
Woo, I found it. So those bolts are T30s. So once you got all those, there's two 8mm in the back that you need to undo. Damn, light work. Now it's all loose. Should be able to pull off. But I did forget the method on how to pull this off.
There's a your mom joke in there.
Is there?
After you said now it's all loose.
Oh. Just like that. Just pull off. These things also have tabs right there that you're gonna use anyways on your other one. So there you go. There's your E92
Soapy.
bumper. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have washed the car, but damn. Should we just run it without side skirts?
Yep.
Look at that shit. Rally car. Pop all these tabs back in. Ugh. 1, 2. Is this the right way? Yeah.
You're gonna be hearing a lot of crunches.
Huh?
You're gonna be hearing crunches
It's fat. Okay.
from me eating the Pockies.
4. Well. Damn, this thing's fucking big. Hop that bitch on. Baby. There you go. Yeah, buddy. Oh, that shit's tight, bro. it looks kind of weird because like when you come over here, it looks like it just stops right there, and it just like slants down inward. Look at it from this angle right here.
Hold up. This is a good angle right here.
Look right here. Now we gotta do the other side.
Okay.
All right, sick. Show them the car. So
I don't see a difference.
we're done for now.
I don't see a
You come
difference.
this way. We got both side skirts on. I think they look sick as fuck. What do you think, Johnny?
Eh.
I don't know if I want to do the, you know how people do like the side skirt extensions, carbon fiber? I don't know if I want that because I feel like it sticks out already so much. So, anyways, I think it looks dope. Anyways, now what we have left is the rear bumper to do, front bumper,
And fenders.
fenders, and then we got another video coming up. Which
He's
is
gonna order a hood.
Just carbon fiber shit. We got front
Hood.
lip, maybe hood, if
Trunk.
maybe trunk. We got rear
Roof.
diffuser. That'd be sick if you got a whole carbon fiber roof. That'd be perfect for a track car like this for weight reduction. But yeah, we'll get ready of these fucking shark fins. Sick. Yeah. So it's about to rain though. I think it's gonna rain a shit ton. So we gotta put this car inside, and I'll probably put that front bumper and the rear bumper out here. We'll put it on in the garage. So and use the quick jacks. So yeah. Peace. What's going on, guys? So a quick little update for you guys. So as you guys could probably see, the footage that I had, it cut off because the camera fell. So I wasn't able to get the installation of the front bumper. Well, that's all right. You guys will see it in a minute. But this is a quick update. I know it's kind of dark, but here is the progress we have so far. So I know, very hard to see, but here is the rear bumper. You know, it's all mounted and everything. This is gonna come off because when I close the garage, these hinges hit literally right there, and I don't want to damage or risk anything. So we're gonna take off the rear bumper so we can close the garage. And then you guys can see wheels off because there's the side skirts. There's the back of that bumper. Everything fits perfectly, man. Like there's barely any imperfections. So I love the way everything lines up. It's absolutely perfect. Here is the front bumper. Here's the M Sport bumper. We got it into tie. I know there's two bolts in here, one right there, one right there. We got them on each side. We're gonna let it sit like this so I can hopefully like find the actual shape and cup around the car, because right now it's still a little flimsy. So I'm just trying to, you know, get it used to this body line. So we're gonna let it sit for a while, you know, let it get to the shape that it's in right now. So, but absolutely amazing, you know, like this is, I mean, there's some imperfections, like this could be a little bit higher, but for a body kit, I mean, it's really well done. Now, you just have the fog lights, the air ducts, the grill. I'm not sure, I'll probably do the grill depending how it looks. And then we have the carbon fiber, you know, sneak peek right there. Here's our fenders that we have not put on yet. So those go right there, obviously, but those haven't been changed. But other than that, that's all we have done right now. Yeah, stay tuned, guys, because this shit's gonna be a crazy build, bro. Crazy build. So, because you guys when probably put it on the fenders next, really. And yeah, deuce. All right, bitches, back on the Beamer. As you guys can see, fender is fitted, so honestly fits really nicely. I know there's a pretty big gap, but it works out perfectly because this thing sits out too much. So we'll be able to move this, as you can tell right here too. Look at the side skirt right there. But we have plenty of space to move this back. So that's what we'll do, and we'll line it up. But now we're just gonna take every single piece off. Side skirt, fenders, bumper. We have the rear bumper off already, but all that shit's gonna get wrapped inside, or just, you know, away from the car. So then we can work on these bigger body panels, so like the hood, the door, you know, you know, all the other bigger pieces. So, and then we're just gonna wrap these inside, hopefully, and then, you know, slap it back on the car. So yeah, time to take everything off again. Anyways, that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. As you guys saw, all we really did was put the body kit. We put it on just to see how it lined up, to see if we needed to do any modification to it. But gladly, we do not have to do anything. So other than that, that's the end of the video. But next video, we're gonna be wrapping everything. So I have some stuff wrapped already downstairs and in the garage, but I'm not gonna show you guys because I haven't even shown you guys the wrap color reveal, so that's gonna be sick, but you'll see that next episode too. Anyways, yeah, everything went planned as smoothly as I wanted to, and everything's gonna work out perfectly. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, wrap coming next. It's gonna be crazy. So hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next one.